Discover the magic of the Alagrace 13x4 HD Lace Curly Human Hair Wig. It's the perfect blend of comfort and style, designed to make you feel fabulous every day. Upgrade your hair game with our adjustable strap, ensuring a secure and safe fit every time you wear it. No more worries about your wig slipping. Installation has never been easier. Our HD invisible lace guarantees a seamless, natural look that blends perfectly with your skin. Get ready to turn heads. Maintaining your wig is a breeze. The high-quality materials make it easy to clean and care for, ensuring it stays as beautiful as the first day you wore it. YouTubers can't stop raving about it. Join the trend and experience why this wig is a favorite among influencers. Your perfect hair day is just a wig away. Customers love it. Soft, beautiful, and easy to install, this wig is winning hearts everywhere. Get ready for endless compliments and a confidence boost. Imagine hair so soft and thick it feels like your own. That's what you get with Alagrace. It's 10/10 recommended by our happy customers. Our wigs come with a generous parting space and minimal shedding, ensuring a natural and flawless look every time you wear it. Satisfaction guaranteed. Shipping is super fast. Get your hands on your dream wig in no time and start flaunting that gorgeous hair. Quick and reliable delivery every time. Need to return? No problem. Our 30-day no-reason return policy lets you send back your wig in its original status for a full refund. Shop with confidence. Worried about allergies? Our wigs are designed to be safe and comfortable, though those with sensitive skin should wear them cautiously. Always choose quality. Keep your wig looking its best. Regular combing and cleaning will remove dust and maintain its shine. Dry it properly to extend its life and keep it healthy. Proper storage is key. Wash your wig and place it on a holder to avoid folds. This simple step will keep your wig looking fresh and ready to wear. Care for your wig like a pro. Use high-quality shampoo, conditioner, and hair oil. Blow dry gently on low heat and avoid daily use of hair oil for best results. Influencers love Alagrace. From beautifully slayed styles to natural-looking lace fronts, our wigs are a hit among fashion-forward individuals. Customers rave about the quality. True to length, soft, and with a natural-looking lace, our wigs are designed to impress and satisfy every expectation. Our wigs look so natural, no one will guess it's not your real hair. Enjoy the confidence of wearing a wig that feels and looks like your own. Experience the best wig ever. Soft, full, and with zero shedding, our wigs are highly recommended by happy customers. It's worth every penny.